Hello everyone, welcome to Future Minds Tally YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn how to simply import purchase entries into Tally in the GST portal through a program. By adding a TDL or program related to GSTR2A in Tally, the option purchase import GSTR2A will appear in the gateway of Tally. Select and press enter. Ledger mapping should be done first. The GSTR2A purchase Excel sheet downloaded from the portal. All remaining details must be filled in as shown here. Select purchase vouchers. Now let's open the GSTR2A purchase Excel sheet downloaded from the GST portal and check it. Even if the Excel sheet shown here has gaps and zigzags in the middle and no alignment or adjustment is made, you can easily import it from Excel to Tally through this program. Let's see how to do it. Copy the folder path containing the Excel sheet and paste it in the Excel directory path. Press enter, select file. Name the starting and ending row number in the Excel sheet should be given here. Purchase period select May month. Anyone who does the filing of the May month after June 11th will have to enter June 1st on the late filing vouchers. This way, the late filling shows that vouchers were created as per entered date. Press enter. After pressing enter, the Excel to Tally data will be imported as shown here. Press enter, then escape and come back. Let's check the imported purchase data in Tally. Go to display more reports, select account books and select purchase register. Let's open the month of May and check it. Select June. Purchase data filled will be automatically imported and displayed in the month of June. So in this way, you can easily import GSTR2A purchase Excel data into Tally through the program. Those interested in this program can contact us through the contact details provided here. Okay viewers, let's learn about another important topic related to Tally in the next video.